Good day everyone, my name is Jericho Dela Cruz, your teacher for today's video. Today I will demonstrate turning under non-manipulative skills. Turning is changing direction while maintaining balance, control, and posture. To turn properly, you should keep your body aligned, use your core for stability, and turn smoothly without losing balance. I will give two progressions under turning movements. Progression number 1 is one leg foot. Lift your one foot and balance on one leg. Use your core for stability and turn smoothly without losing balance. This improves stability, power, and control without losing balance. Progression number 2 is jump turn. Stand straight, bend your knees, jump turn up to 90 or 180 degrees, and land softly without losing balance. This improves power, stability, coordination under airborne movement. And that's it. That's turning movement. Thank you guys for watching and I hope you learned something from me.